The four vectors given, we are supposed to find out which one of them is a unit vector. Before that, we need to understand how the vectors are represented in a Cartesian coordinate system. And the direction along x is often stated with I cap, direction along y is represented as j cap, and direction along z is given as k cap. Suppose if a person walks along x-axis for 2 units and then along y-axis for 3 units, how this movement is represented? This movement is represented as the total displacement of the person is 2 units along x-axis plus 3 units along y-axis. Then this is how the displacement of a person or location of a particle, anything can be represented. But you see, these two are, you know that it's a right angle coordinate system, and you see they are right angle to each other. If these two are right angle to each other, then this total displacement is root over this x square, this y coordinate square. So like this, it is root over 4 plus 9 and root over 13. This is called the numerical value of that total displacement, yes, whereas this is the vector form of the displacement. In general, if we represent it, any position vector is given as x coordinate with I cap direction and y coordinate value number value into j cap plus z coordinate number value into k cap. These are all coefficients of the I cap, j cap and k cap. These are their values. Then when you say that it is 4 times I cap, that means that the direction is along x-axis and its value is 4. So this is not a unit vector. I cap is a unit vector. This means that it is 1 I cap. So the coefficient of I cap is 1. But I cap plus j cap is not a unit vector, because if an object moves 1 unit along x-axis, 1 unit along y-axis, this can be its value. The value of that vector can be written as, here 2 I cap plus 3 j cap is 2 square plus 3 square, right? Here 1 square plus 1 square, which is root 2. So this I cap plus j cap is not a unit vector because its value is 2. Similarly, here let us check I cap plus j cap. Then its numerical value, suppose we call all of them as r. So the r vector's numerical value is root over I cap's coefficient square, which is 1 square, plus j cap's coefficient square, which is 1 square. So it is root 2. So the value of this vector is root 2. Hence it is not a unit vector. Let us do this. There is only I cap whose coefficient is 1 by root 2. Hence even if you write it like root over 1 by root 2 whole square within root, which will give you only 1 by root 2. So the coefficient of I cap is 1 by root 2, which is not 1. Hence it is also not a unit vector. Let us look at this. So k cap's coefficient is 1, j cap's coefficient is 1 by root 2. Then its modulus value is root over k cap's coefficient, which is 1 square, plus j cap's coefficient, which is minus 1 by root 2 the whole square. So this is going to be root over 1 square plus 1 by 2, because minus into minus plus, so it is 1. So this value is going to be 3 by 2. Hence this value is not 1. Hence this is also not a unit vector. Let us look at this. This is I cap plus j cap by root 2. Then root over I cap plus j cap by root 2 can be written as 1 by root 2 times I cap, because root 2 is common for both, plus 1 by root 2 j cap. Hence it is root over 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square. This is equal to root over 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, root over 1, which is 1. Hence I cap plus j cap by root 2, its magnitude is 1. Hence this is a unit vector. Otherwise this is also a unit vector. Along any one axis, either I cap or j cap or k cap is a unit vector. In a plane, I cap plus j cap by root 2 or I cap plus j cap plus k cap by root 3 is a unit vector, because I cap's coefficient is 1 by root 3 and j cap's coefficient is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 whole square plus 1 by root 3 whole square plus 1 by root 3 whole square. That gives you root over 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, which is 1. In any plane, xy plane, I cap plus j cap by root 2 is a unit vector. YZ plane, j cap plus k cap by root 2 is a unit vector. In xyz, in 3-dimensional space, I cap plus j cap plus k cap by root 3 is a unit vector.